Let me present Professor Uwe Keller from Portugal. He is a new president of International Society Isaac, and the issue is that as kind of tradition at our conference. No, you can leave like this because we need, no, please come back to the previous picture. Ольга, скажите, чтобы вернули предыдущую страницу. Okay, so it's kind of tradition for maybe what is third or fourth conference. Then within this conference, we have Isaac Society Prize for young professors, for young researchers. So we, during the conference, we select some candidates. We send these candidates with this curriculum and recommendation letters to the Isaac officers, and Isaac officers make a decision. And for instance, if you have this booklet, you can see that, let me see, here for instance, you can see our finalists, Joel Restrepo, Elina Shishkina, and one more young researcher here for previous years. And we did the same with support of Isaac Society. We did the same for this conference. And we also collected some candidates, sent them to Isaac's officers, and we have 2 finalists. One of them is here, another is on the screen. He will be joining us on Wednesday, but he is also with us. So let me give a word to President of Isaac, Professor Uwe Keller. Please.
Thank you very much. It's always difficult to decide winners when you have a lot of good, strong candidates. But after careful deliberation, we decided to award 2 live memberships to one to the person who you can see also on the screen, Shiraya Avitetsian from the University of Santa Barbara in California, and also from the Southern Federal University now in Rostov-on-Don. And the second one to Leonid de la Cruz Toranzo, originally from Cuba, now also in Russia. And it's always difficult to decide who should get it, but we all believe that both of them actually are very strong candidates which will make Isaac proud, and I'm pretty sure you will hear a lot of them in the near future. One first idea you can get when you go to the talk on Wednesday to Shiraya Avitetsian, then you can see him live and you can enjoy his statement. Personally, as president of Isaac, I can only give both of them my congratulations and my best wishes so that they actually continue their career in science. It would be really a miss if each of them is not continuing his career inside science or has to leave at this moment or so. And we really wish them all the best for the future, and that they will make their contribution to mathematics in general and analysis in particular also in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Uwe. And how we do this? We have this finalist here, so I have diploma here. So you already told this name of Leonid de la Cruz. And on behalf of Isaac Society, thanks to President, I'm happy to give you this diploma of membership. Maybe stay here so you can see who are also. And you make a picture with all of us. So that is all yours. You can say something.
Well, just to say that is well, thanks for this acknowledgement, but I think it's not just mine, but for every researcher I have ever worked with. And also I would like to thank the support of my supervisor here at the Mathematical Center in Rostov-on-Don, Alexei Karapetyan, and for all the opportunities I have come with him. And thank you again.
Okay, and another person, Geray Ravetisyan, he also stays with us. He is on another conference now. He actually have a talk in 20 minutes. We'll have a talk in Yerevan in 20 minutes, but he will come with us tomorrow. And so I virtually present you this diploma, but I will give you this diploma tomorrow. We are happy to congratulate you with this award, and let's do some applause. So Geray, can you hear us?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much to the organizers and to everyone. First of all, to my colleagues, in collaboration with them, we produced the results based on which this award has been given to me, and it's a big honor to receive this award from the prominent Isaac Society. And I also want to thank everyone who has contributed to the nomination of my candidacy to the selection, and to Professor Kelle, who is awarding it. As was said, I'm about to give another talk here in Yerevan in some 20 minutes, but I'll join you there in Rostov very soon. So thank you very much again.
Thank you. And at the end of the ceremony, we have here a head of our mathematical faculty, the Institute of Mathematics and Computer Sciences, Professor Karyakin. Maybe he'll say some words to our conference.
Stefan Grigorьevich, glad to see you. Dear colleagues, good afternoon, and I'm really happy to be here. Unfortunately, I can't start the conference with you. Some business problems, you know, this is a rather hot time in all Russian universities. We accepting students, we try to attract as most students as we can, so this is a very tough procedure. I hope we're doing well in this sphere, but nevertheless, it's my great pleasure to welcome you here in Rostov, to welcome you here in our Sovereign Federal University. I think that this conference is a very important event in the, I think, in the development of mathematics. Maybe not so. I think what I wish all of you, I wish that our governments, our officials, be more confident that the mathematics is actually a basis of our future development, and they give you enough money for your research, enough support, financial grants, and so on. So that in this sense of a promotion of mathematics, promotion of our science, this conference plays, I think, very, very important role, and that attracting new researchers, new young people who were awarded today and who weren't awarded by do their best to improve our science. I think that the role of this conference and the role of our mathematical center, who attract people from different countries, from different areas of mathematics. Yes, the conference has its tradition, its specific area, but I think even so concretely specified, this area is rather broad, and it attracts mathematics from different sides, different branches of our science. And again, I'm really happy to be here, and I'm really happy to see you here. I'm glad to see some people there, and I really appreciate that organization committee and program committee on the conference devoted this event to the 80th anniversary of Stefan Grigorьevich Samko. I think he played a very important role, the role whose is very hardly to be overestimated in the creating that mathematical center in our university in the south part of Russia. He's not with us today, not in this room, but I think we feel his presence now, and we are proud that we have worked with him, and we know his work, and we use his works in our everyday activities. Finishing my short talk, again, good luck to the conference, good luck to all of you, and in our not easy days, first of all, I should say, please care yourself. I wish you good health. I wish you, how to say, work in the situation we can communicate every day, eye to eye, without that masks, without that restrictions, without that problems. So good luck, good health. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Professor Kryakin, for such nice words. And again, I'd like to thanks to Isaac Society, and especially to new president of Isaac Society, Professor Uwe Kaller, for the constant support. As I said, we together with ISAC for maybe 5 years already, and we have more plans. We will develop this collaboration, fruitful collaboration, which will benefit both of us. Thank you very much, and thanks to everyone who participated.